We can't believe it. We got access to the most famous hotel in the world. This is the Royal Atlantis, and this is what luxury is all about. If for some reason you haven't heard or seen the Royal Atlantis, it's the most hyped hotel in Dubai since the old Atlantis 20 years ago. And it's located actually just a couple of stone throws away from the old Atlantis. This was launched just recently, a year or so ago, and at the launch party, just to give you an idea, Beyonce was there playing, and I think she got what?
$24 million
to play for an hour or so. So, you know, that would tell you something about kind of like the level that they have of this place. This unit here that we're looking at today is a property, it's 2-bed, and it's on the market today for 23.5 million dirhams, so that would be around $6.5 million US. And we really want to thank our friends at Experience for giving us access to this amazing property. We are crazy excited today. We're here in the living room and living space. And what you will find with this property is the attention to details. And we're going to show that in the different rooms here as well, that every single piece in this property is made for this property. It's custom made, right? From the couches to the tables, even the light fixtures or the chandeliers. I mean, look at these, these amazing chandeliers here are made for this property, right? So you don't have to think about furnishing it yourself. It's all ready to move in, okay? And the theme here, of course, the Royal Atlantis. This is basically Poseidon coming down and creating this masterpiece from the heavens. You would see that it has the sea theme in every room, and it's inspired by the sea, but it's done in a classy way, right? It's not shells that you pick yourself from the beach everywhere. It's actually designed art pieces. And you can see the shell form here. You can see a lot of the other touches from the wave, the wave carpet and the wave textiles here. It's all sophisticated. It's all the forms are kind of rounded off, so it's not that sharp, more to replicate the motions of the waves and the sea.
I really like the color theme here in the apartment as well.
It is amazing. It's well thought through, and you would see some of the themes coming back in the different rooms while we move through the property here. Obviously, you need a big TV when you're living in Dubai. That's just goes for it. You see even the TV frame is actually built into the wall, right? Making it very neat and nice and tidy, and it doesn't actually ruin the whole room.
I like the form, like it's rounded corner as well on the TV frame.
Everything is rounded off. There's no sharp edges here, right? So very good for kids. They can bump their heads into something. And really cool as well, we didn't put it on today. I mean, it's getting pretty. We're getting closer to summer, but you can actually have a little fireplace under here artificially as well, which is pretty cool. Let's then move out, because what your eyes are drawn towards as soon as you enter this property and from every single room is, of course,
the view.
The view, yeah. The real art piece is, of course, the view. And you got endless views of the Raven Gulf here. You can see a lot of the jet skis out here, the boats coming out. Actually, you can see the world islands out there far in the distance. But it just gives that calm sense that only, I think, the ocean, the water can give you. You can feel just relaxed, and as soon as you enter this property, so quiet. It's so nice, the views. And let's have a look outside on the balcony. And it took us a while to actually open these doors, because it's like quite sophisticated system.
It's hidden.
Hidden, but you can open them up all the way. And the property itself also has, for every room you would have your own balcony also, but this is for the living room space. Go out here in the morning, enjoy the shade. It will be the sunset views in the evening. We'll go down about there, I would say. And here you can just, of course, entertain your guests, invite them out here for a drink before you sit down for dinner, or just enjoy the magical Arabian Gulf.
It's like endless.
It's endless. It is endless. It is, right? So absolutely amazing. Yeah, hopefully you can see. We're so excited about this property. It's just crazy. Heading off to the first bedroom here, which is the guest room, but it's so much more than just a guest room. Wait until you see it. Malin's gonna show us later the kitchen and the master bedroom as well. And wait until you see that bathroom in the master bedroom. It's one of the best ones we've ever seen. But here we are in the guest bedroom here, and the first impression we got was the space, the size, right? And this is what is the difference that we've seen with properties that are, well, normal properties compared to the ultra luxury properties. It is about space, right? If you can afford to have space and not put too much stuff in, that's a sign of it's a very nice property. The guest room here, we spoke before about the theme, about the design, and this is where I think you will really see it with the colors that are reflecting, of course, the Gulf, the blue. You see even the shelves here, the custom built wall behind, the bed frame basically of the bed. No sharp edges. The bed is even actually rounded the corners. That lamp is an insane art piece as well. It looks like it's something that they picked up from the water out here. So everything in this property has that ocean theme, which is absolutely lovely. And I wish you can smell the smell in here. It just smells like you smell and you can feel that you're living in a 5-star hotel, right? But this you can call your private home, and you get all those amenities that you would if you stayed here at the hotel as well, which is, I mean, you would never leave this place.
It's top class.
It's top class. It doesn't get better than this. The balcony here as well, I said every room has their own balcony. This balcony actually goes further down here, so it's a lot longer than we first expected. It's like a double balcony basically, and there's no one looking out on your balcony out there as well, so it's still private. Now moving in here then to the ensuite, you got your bathroom here, or your washing room, with your double basins or your double vanities here for the his and her. The walk-in wardrobe. What I really like here, talking about details, is all these, let's see if I get this, sliding doors, right? And they have sliding doors in, I think there's only 2-3 normal doors in this property. The rest are sliding, so they're hidden in the wall, which makes it even more spacious, and it hides those, you know, angles of the doors. And the view, this is the most amazing piece. If you're going out from your shower, which is of course amazing, walk-in shower, step out right, and you have that full Arabian Gulf view, which is just
the big picture.
Wow. And you got your water closet here, of course, to the right as well. But all in all, what did I say before about the space? You don't need to, you know, bump into each other when you're brushing your teeth. You can get ready here for the day and just...
And this marble is just amazing.
Yeah,
it's hand-picked. You can really see how it's matching each other, so it's really beautiful.
They're actually putting in and matching the marbles, the different plates, and you can see it all flows into one, right? And that's something you would see with the cheaper, and I would say the more low quality marble, that the plates will be mixed. This is all unified, right? But that's what you would expect from a property like
and
this.
I like how they did it in the walk-in closet. You have the tiles there that's matching the floor in the bathroom.
It's the same as out here, right? It's actually matching the washing room and the living room tile, the finishing, which is again attention to detail. They thought it through before they actually constructed it, which is just, well, again, the more we stay here, the more we actually realize all these details, right? Even the art pieces here are also placed for a reason, of course. You see the ocean theme.
The blue color.
The blue colors.
The natural colors.
Yeah, the texture here as well on the walls. It's all different.
And if you close that door as well, you can't really see it when it's open, but yeah, when you close it, it's like a hidden door.
Yeah, you see? Super, super nice. And one more detail I would like to show you before we exit, which is all you have all these remotes everywhere. And look at this.
That's what you want if you live here.
That's what you want to have. We need to get these in our future apartment, but it's just so cool. And look at that light detail there. That just, you know, the whole room lights up. But then in the morning, just press that button.
But you can see everything is custom made. Even the furniture here by the TV / makeup studio there.
Yeah, I was thinking office or makeup studio. I guess makeup studio. But well, let's continue the tour. Maybe Malin, you can show us the kitchen instead, right?
Walking back to this lovely living room. This apartment is actually an open kitchen, in which country they don't like, but in this apartment you have to have it because you want to have this amazing view against the water. The light, the natural light is coming in as well. The space it gives you as well. And then you have, of course, this masterpiece. It feels like it's one piece because everything is just smooth with the details. It's really beautiful. I really like this one.
Yeah, I like kind of the light fixture on the, how it's built in as well.
Exactly, all the details. That's what I like in this apartment as well. It's just the lights. It's just different lights coming out from everywhere. So it gives you this calmness rather than if you have like one big chandelier that takes up the whole lighting system.
Yeah, it's like you discover more things all the time as you
Yeah. But imagine just standing here, cooking some cheese and charcuterie, have a glass of champagne when the Oreo guest is just hanging out there in the living area. Someone might sit in the nice dining table that I will show you later on. Look at this chandelier as well. 4 of them, different kind of styles as well. Yeah, it's really, really, really nice. And then of course, you have the top of the notch Gagano in all the appliances. And then, yeah, you just have to look at this oven here. It's kind of like a purple blue color inside it. And yeah, it's just...
Even the oven is well thought through.
Yeah, you have the wine cooler, of course, for all the champagne you're gonna have in this apartment. And then just look at these details here. You can just touch it and it's open up by itself.
Oh, we need to get one of those.
Imagine have all your nice fruits and vegetables and all the healthy food that you, of course, are eating here. No, it's really nice. And then, of course, you have an utility room here. It's nice hidden with the wooden theme that you can see all over the apartment. It's kind of smooth kitchen. It's nice to touch it as well. It's just, you don't want to have this piece taking all the attention. So you kind of put this stylish but not super popping up.
Yeah.
Because you want to have the eyes on that direction against the golf. Yeah, it's just...
And you're matching with your outfit today.
I'm matching the outfit today, of course, as always. And then you have the entrance here. Look at the size of this door. It's just another size. It's just so broad as well, giving this master feeling here. And then you have a small powder room here for the guest that's coming here. It's the same theme, of course. It's the top-notch marble with the form, the kind of waves, flows. You have the same here on the paintings, the waves that's coming on everywhere in this apartment. And then look at this dining table. It's suited for 6 people. You have this enormous, really comfy chairs as well, with this nice green color. It's still the earthy, natural color, but it still gives a little bit kick.
Is it like seaweed?
Yeah, it might be seaweed. That's a good point though. But it's matching the plant as well that you have in this apartment. It's just, yeah. I really could move in here. It's just top notch. I'm just blown away. And then you have a landing area here, with of course some design table here with a big mirror. So you have mirrors kind of all over the apartments as well. So wherever you look, you have the view against the water, of course.
It's a good trick to make the apartment even
bigger.
Feel bigger, yeah.
But let's head on to the masterpiece, the master bedroom. It's just unbelievable. Here we are. Look at this space in this master bedroom. It's just enormous. It's just giving you a calm feeling. This is your private area. You probably come here, have a stressful day at work, and then you just come here, put on some comfy clothes, and then just take a moment here, sit here, just enjoying the view against the water. and just breathe. It's just giving this nice feeling, especially with the color that's chosen here as well, or chosen the hair as well. It's just a little bit brighter, but it's still giving this calmness. Look at this custom-made bed frame. It's kind of started there in the bed frame and then going up at the wall and then down here to the desktop here as well. It's just the form, the rounded forms that you can see all over the apartment. It's so nice. Even the bed table has this rounded format as well.
Like the waves.
It's the waves. It's more here, more like corals, the white corals here. In this guest bedroom, we had this more blue, colorful, but here is more the white stones.
I think this is more timeless, this design, no?
Yeah, this is definitely the bedroom theme that I have chosen in our new apartment, hopefully. It has still the same here, the art piece. And then you have the tiles here as well that you can see all over the apartment. So it's matching against the living room and also the master bathroom. So check it out. You started here, of course, with your own walk-in closet. Really nice designs here. You can put all your belongings here. And then entering this big bathroom. Of course, you're gonna have a huge bathtub. I don't know how big this is. And then you have, again, the mirror again, so you can just lay here and then look at the water. Wow. It's just this design of it, it's matching exactly this bathroom. So it's custom made, of course, as well.
I like it's like freestanding, basically. And,
it's like it's floating.
It's pretty deep, isn't it?
Yeah, it's huge. And then you have the same vanity here as well as the rest of the bathroom, which gives you this unified feeling that everything is kind of connected.
Yeah, and it's a his and hers vanity as well. So
I probably take the right one and then Jacob can have the left one. You have a big storage here for all of your perfume and makeup and everything that you have. You have the water closet here. You have a big shower, which I need to show you. Look at the size of this. You even have this seating area here where you can shower when you're too tired after a big run at the palm walk, of course. Let's head back to the bedroom and I will show you my favorite view. So you just come in here and then this opens up more and more and you have this amazing view against the water. It's just a live picture almost. You have some more storage here as well. Really broad. You can even have it behind the TV wall as well. Really good storage here. Of course, custom made TV frame with the design pieces that you can have here as well. Yeah, really nice color of the wood. And then we have to go out here again. This is like a spa feeling that you have here. You know, when you're in a spa, you have these chairs that you can just lay down here and just have a nice book reading. You probably don't even a book, you can just look at the ocean here.
Hope you are as inspired as we are right now. Can't believe we were up in the property in here just a few minutes ago. If you are curious about the moving or relocating to the UAE or buying property in Dubai, let us know, reach out to us on our contacts below and we'll tell you more about our experience here and hopefully we can add some value to you in that process. Thank you so much for following us. We really appreciate you guys and we'll see you very, very soon again.